Right, morning folks. Beautiful cheese omelette today. Let's get this lit. It is pretty cold this morning, so yep, I think we're lit. Okay, so cheese omelette. Let's let this bloom. So we're using the Trangia 27. There we go. And what I'm going to do when it blooms, I'm going to put the simmer ring on, because we're cooking eggs and we need to not burn them basically. So just get this to bloom. Okay folks, we are blooming. So simmer ring on. Okay. Got a splash of oil in. Okay. Let's see how we go. So in with 2 eggs. Beaten well, and also black pepper and some salt. Okay. So I'm cooking it nice and gently. Got the simmer ring on, which is covering all the fine jets. It's wide open, so the rest of the heat can get out. And I'm just pulling it away from the sides, letting it firm up a bit, and then doing the same again. Okay, now what I'm going to do is going to drop some cheese in. So that can start to melt. And I'm going to fold it over best we can. They are quite small pans, these, on the 27. Press it down gently. And now let's just wait for the cheese to melt. While that's happening, I like strong cheese. So basically what I'm going to do is a teaspoon full of Parmesan over the top. You can miss that out if you want, because it is quite strong. And we'll just give it a flip over. And you can see the cheese starting to run out, so you know it's melting. And that is done. Nearly got out in one, but hey, we're camping. And there we have it, cheese omelette done on the Trangia 27 with a sprinkle of Parmesan on the top, because I like strong cheese. Okay, let's give it a try. Yep, that will do me. Yeah, please like and subscribe if you like anything in this this video, and I'll see you again soon with hopefully some more recipes. Cheers, bye.